Come enjoy this 55-plus resort-style community with all its amenities: golfing, tennis, billiards, pickleball, dancing, just to name a few activities that his wonderful community has to offer. There's 7 clubhouses, 5 pools, over 200 clubs, and much more. Located in the active 55-plus community of Laguna Woods. With horse stables, golfing, tennis, bocce ball, lawn bowling and much more. Here to tell you about this lovely 2-bedroom, 1.75 bathrooms plus a loft off the master bedroom, 2 bay windows. One in living room and the other in the kitchen. Washer and dryer in the closet. Easy access to gates, clubhouses, shopping and beach areas.